So I picked up the DAS keyboard 5Q today from Kickstarter. Let's have a quick look here. It's pretty nice packaging. Slides out pretty easily. Put that off to the side. It says palm rest below. Let's have a look. Get a little DAS keyboard sticker. Get a thank you. Little quick start guide. Another little sticker here. Looks like the key puller for the keycaps. Some different type there. Silver metallic look. Palm rest. It's a nice rubber finish on there. Pretty heavy. Let's have a look at the actual keyboard. Quite a bit heavier than I thought it would be. Wow, it's quite nice. Sounds alright. Just a bit of resonance in the Q button here. More when laying down. Designed in Austin, Texas. Feels pretty nice. The top is supposed to be aluminum, but it kind of has a plasticky feel to it, but still quite premium feeling. That is it. Look at the DAS keyboard 5Q from Kickstarter. We're going to just have a quick look at the key puller and see what the keys look like underneath. That's what the keycap looks like. And we'll have a quick look at the keys there. Looks pretty nice. The keycap puller just sticks on there pretty easily, which makes pulling keys off very easily and efficiently. Back on. This is the DAS keyboard 5Q. Just got my DAS 5Q keyboard and just checking out the new lighting effects. This is the color cycle. So far, quite impressed. Here is the breathe effect. Here is the blink effect. I have chosen blue for the color this time. You can choose any color between the 16.9 million colors. Or you can even have just a solid color, like I have now. If you have any questions about the keyboard, just leave a comment below and let me know, and I'll try to answer them as best as I can.